See now, the reading for the pressure is -03, means it's pretty clean. So we close the valve. Should we? Yeah, we better do it. Yeah. Okay. So there's no accident if we open both. Okay. So now I can turn on the hydrogen. Yeah. So we start with.
I'm sure this is loose first.
Yeah. It's loose means it's closed. Okay. We turn on this first. Open it. Okay.
This is the pressure.
Yeah. Okay. We can see the pressure here. So Ken, again, just for reference, what's the normally when it's a new tank coming? What's the?
There's a mark over there.
There's a mark over there. So when a new tank coming, it should be
Around 15,000.
15,000 kPa. Yeah, kPa. So when you drop to, because I remember at the bottom of tank normally it's not that clean. Yeah. So normally at what value we should call a new tank?
Now.
There's another mark. Oh, now. Okay. Normally now we're gonna call a new tank. So it's after it drop less than 5,000 kPa, we better call a new tank.
Yeah, because you do not have enough pressure to go.
Right.
You still have, but the operation is not really that efficient because you need at least 5,000 to push on everything inside.
At least 5,000. Okay.
That is equivalent to 50 bar.
And what's the maximum pressure for the
We
tube?
can go up to 200 bars.
200 bar.
The software set as 50 bar as maximum.
Software set 50 bars maximum. So what's the normal pressure we give to the system?
This one.
Yeah. So
Every single mark is equivalent to 10 bar.
10 bar.
Yeah. So this is a 40 bar. So we normally never go up here.
We never go up to here.
Yeah, we never go across 40,000. 4,000.
Okay.
4,000.
4,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
If one day you are going to get a new regulator,
Yeah.
then you have to try to get something that can operate. The operating range is supposed to be 1/3 rather than that small position.
Yeah.
That's
Then it will be
small
more
motion.
accurate.
It's more accurate.
Yes.
So right now, what you need to do is just turn on. So it's screwing
Yep.
to about 30 bar.
30 bars in there.
Yeah, I think the pressure is not enough to go up to 30. I think this one is already less than 30.
This is 30. So
yeah, it should be alright.
probably the maximum we can have. Okay.
So that is about pressure that you.
I see. Okay.
So before you start anything, you stop.
No, just keep focused.
Before you start anything, you have to record the data.
Record data.
So activation, I normally do it. I also normally will record it, but it's up to you. If you don't want to record it, it's up to you.
Yeah.
So just click the kinetic record, which
Kinetic.
means
The time we need for activation, is it?
Well, to me, it's actually to record every single steps that I'm doing.
Every single step. Okay.
Yeah.
So
So you click on this.
yep.
Yeah. So it's actually recording whatever you have done over
Yeah.
here. So to charge it hydrogen, just click in this one.
Turn on.
Yep.
So the hydrogen goes into a system.
Yep. What is the activation pressure that you want to go on?
I don't know, 30 bar?
Okay.
Yeah. If we have 30 bar?
I think it doesn't really go until 30.
Okay.
Probably. It's still increasing.
Yes.
It is slow.
So what's the normal activation pressure AB5 should have?
AB5?
Yeah.
Depends on what type of AB5.
Depends on what type.
HMAC that we have, 2.5 bar is more than 2.5 megapascal is more than enough.
So 25 bar is enough?
Yeah.
Okay. So can we?
Yeah, you can stop.
Okay, we can stop now. Yeah. And now we are.
No,
not yet. Okay.
So we wait it stabilize first, and then click on this one. This
Here?
is your initial pressure. Yeah.
Initial pressure.
Yeah. Click on this. Why do I do that? It's just to calculate how much hydrogen being absorbed, whether it's fully activated or not fully activated.
Also, the software provider function.
Yeah, it's similar to a PCI.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So you already have the record, and you can turn on this one.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So we do this first. We record original value of the pressure, and we turn on the sample chamber valve.
Yep.
Takes a while to achieve the equilibrium.
Yeah.
Takes a while.
But the thing is that you haven't activated yet.
Yeah.
So do you look at the temperature is actually increasing?
Here's the temperature.
Yep.
And when you absorb hydrogen, it should release
Yep.
heat.
Which means this hydrogen alloy is actually readily activated,
Yeah.
but it's not fully activated, so you still have to do the activation.
Do a couple of cycles.
Yeah. So 30.8. My activation method, not just using pressure, sometimes I use temperature as well.
Temperature as well.
So I will use furnace. Yeah. But if you're using pressure to activate, you have to make sure that you really fully activate it.
Yeah.
So
Gotta leave it for a long while, right?
yeah, you have to leave it for a long while,
Okay.
or even sometimes overnight.
But this is just training purpose.
Yeah.
Assuming it's already the pressure is not moving anymore.
Yeah, but the thing is that what you can do right now is actually you can click this one.
Click this one.
Yeah, that's the final pressure.
This is the final
Yeah,
pressure.
with that,
Yeah.
and then click estimation,
Estimation.
and this is how much hydrogen has been absorbed. This is 0.012. As for your system, you're supposed to be expecting 1.2 weight%, which is
1.2.
not activate at all. 0.012 is nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, normally activation, I normally don't use water. What do you call that? Water bath. But if you are doing PCI measurement, you have to use water bath to maintain your temperature. So activation I normally use with furnace. That will that will speed up your process. But if not, then you have to do it that way.
Yeah.
So assuming that is
I noticed when I hit the button, there's a point here.
yeah. So this is estimating that you are getting 0.012 weight% of absorption
Yeah.
and 2.175 as the equilibrium pressure.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
So what's the record do?
Record means you take that as your data.
Also, estimation just for now, the value I get is
Yeah, for now, it is this
Is it
data
here?
that you're taking.
Yeah.
But if you record it, it will have a point over here,
Yep. Yep.
and it is recorded.
So assuming because I don't want to waste your time, so
Yeah.
assuming it's done and say the pressure is not moving anymore,
Mm-hmm.
then what do I do? Let me think. This is PCI, so it's being absorbed.
Mm-hmm.
I turn this off,
Yep.
then back in the system, then turn it back on, right?
Very good. You turn this off first.
Turn it off. Turn it off first.
Mm-hmm.
Off.
Okay, what are you trying to do right now? Are you
I'm trying to, because I want to know how much hydrogen I absorb,
Uh-huh.
or it's being estimated already.
Yeah, already estimated. So what do you want to else? What else do you want to do?
This option.
Now you want to do this option straight away. Okay.
Is that a correct process?
No, because you jump the steps. So,
So
asking
what's
you
the,
what are the things that you want to do?
Okay, what's the next step? What's the next
Yeah.
step?
This is the activation, right?
Yeah,
Let's say
activation.
activation, you finish doing activation, you have to do this option.
This option.
So this option, you just open two valves and dissolve everything. That's it. So this is activation with
Activation.
high temperature.
Okay.
No.
So I turn on this valve.
Uh-huh.
And turn it on. Is there a limit? What's it called? Like extreme value for the pressure? Like we can't just let it go. Oh, this is
Yeah, this is the maximum.
52 bar.
Yeah.
But normally we don't let the high pressure go into
Yeah.
our system, right?
So, but if somehow you accidentally overturn that,
Yeah.
then what you need to do is actually to stop everything. So that will trigger everything.
But in that case, there's now accidentally I let the 52 bar go into a system, and it's in the system now. But I'm afraid they may break the pump. Then is there anything I can do? Like, what's the emergency steps for this kind of condition?
Basically, when you overfuck 52 bars,
Yeah.
all these valves will close down.
Close down.
It will shut down.
Shut down.
Okay. But how do you want to release the 52 bar in the system?
Yeah.
It's actually you have to turn this one
Yeah.
to half of.
Also, in that case, we use
You have
the
to
bigger
control-
valve to control the flowing rate of the hydrogen. Otherwise, it will damage the pump. I think. Right.
But normally the 52 bar will reduce very fast
Yeah.
to 1 bar because your
I hope that will never occur. Okay. People watch this video, must watch out. Don't let the pressure go into the system. Okay, now it's minus 0.2, minus 0.3.
yeah.
So I can close the valve. Then
So now you are assuming that everything is being dissolved, okay,
yeah,
without heating.
without heating. Say it. Okay.